It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Let's start by looking at Surrey and its surrounding markets. This year, the numbers are clearly sliding downward. Starting with Surrey, property prices have taken a noticeable dip, down 7.0% from last year and now sitting around $1,002,500. Over in North Surrey, the story's similar. Prices dropped 6.2%, landing at $713,100. Cloverdale also saw a pullback of 4.7%, with prices now at $1,004,000, while Langley held up a little better, only slipping 2.5% to $1,021,200. Now, looking at homes specifically, Surrey's are down 6.1% to $1,468,200. North Surrey is just behind with a 5.1% decline, coming in at $1,435,300. Cloverdale homes dropped 5.7%, now at $1,435,500. And Langley once again saw the smallest change, down 2.2% to $1,598,600. Apartments across the board have also cooled. In Surrey, they're down 4.3% to $547,400. North Surrey took the sharpest hit, down 7.9% to $458,200. Cloverdale saw a 3.0% decline to $580,700. And Langley apartments dropped 4.4%, now around $590,900. And finally, townhouses in Surrey, prices fell 5.6% to $809,300. North Surrey townhouses only dipped 1.9%, sitting at $750,800. Cloverdale was down 4.3% to $821,500, while Langley slipped 3.0%, ending at $852,300. Across all these areas, the trend is clear. Prices are easing, but the pace of decline depends heavily on the type of property and its location. So here's the big question. Are we looking at the bottom of the market, or is there still more room to fall?
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.